Can you have your back cracked or adjusted too much? That's what we're going to cover in today's video. Hi, my name is Dr. Rob Bates. I'm a chiropractor and a certified athletic trainer. And through the years, I've had patients ask me, hey doc, is it good to get my back cracked or adjusted 3 times a week? That's what we're going to cover. But before we do that, let's see how the body works, because your body has 24 spinal bones that wrap around the spinal cord for protection. It's like your suit of armor. And then you have these spinal discs in between that allow spinal joint motion and shock absorption. And then you have the spinal nerves that exit in between the spinal bones through these holes, and that carries life-sustaining messages from the brain down through the spinal cord, out through these nerves, and back up again. In fact, according to Gray's Anatomy, that your brain and spinal cord control all the functions and structures in the body. So it's really important to keep these nerve channels open. Now, also should understand that the body is very intelligent, it's very smart. And what it does is it utilizes muscles in it. It has these little tiny sensor muscles that attaches to all these levers of the spine, and it's constantly making fine adjustments. In other words, hundreds of adjustments a day to adapt to the environment, to allow these holes to stay open so the brain can communicate properly to the whole body so your body functions optimally. Problems arise, though, when these spinal bones get stuck out of alignment. When they get stuck out of alignment, now it closes down those channels. The muscles are actually trying to work to pull the bone into alignment to open up, but it's not happening. That's where I come in, a chiropractor. I'm trained to find where these working muscles are, these spinal bones out of alignment, and then I put an adjustment force into that spine, specifically in that area, and then the intelligence will take that force and align these holes so then the brain can communicate with the body parts again. The adjustment then should only be done if the spinal bones are out of alignment. Now, can you get your back cracked or adjusted too much? Really, you can never get it cracked or adjusted too much if this spinal bone's out of alignment. So you should never just go in and crack a back, not knowing what you're doing. You should always be working with the natural laws of the body, and one of it is that the body, the intelligence, is always working in your best interests. And when there's spinal bones out of alignment, you feel these muscles, tiny muscles pulling, that's the time that you got to give the adjustment so the body assists the body in correcting that spinal bone out of alignment so that your body can perform better. Now, if you have any comments, post those comments down below. If you like this video, press like and subscribe. Other than that, have an excellent weekend. Take care.